Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll and find the display. Now we have to tap on advanced and under it we've got the screen timeout, so let's enter. And as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 30 seconds applied and you can say it because this option is marked, but if you'd like to change it just tap on the time you want to use, for example 10 minutes. Just tap on it and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on after 10 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.